In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to share your Apple Music playlist. Let's get started. First, launch your Apple Music app. Make sure you have already signed into your account. Now I can navigate to the library, then select the playlist that you want to share. On the playlist page, tap three dots or the share icon. From there, tap share playlist. You'll see options like messages, WhatsApp, Instagram, your drop or copy link. If you send the link, anyone with Apple Music can open and listen to it right away. If they don't have Apple Music, they'll usually get a preview. You can also make sharing a bit more social if you enable your profile in Apple Music. Your playlist can be shared publicly with followers. Just go to your profile and make sure Show on my profile and in search is turned on for that playlist. If someone says they cannot open your playlist, it's usually because the playlist is set to private or they don't have an active Apple Music subscription. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.